Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Coupon. I know the lighting's super weird because of the sun outside, but I did go out and did an Ibotta haul today. So I did Kroger, Walmart, which is on fire. Well, not on fire. There's some really good stuff down at Walmart right now that I'm super pumped about. And Walgreens, and I cannot even believe this, what I saw at Walgreens today. And it just makes me not... I don't know. I try really hard. I've been trying to get back into it, but I just don't know if I'm going to. I'll explain that at the end. So let's just talk Kroger first. Now, a bunch of people, I know my grandma got it, Amy Stotts got it, and I'm sure other people got it as well. There's a new bonus called the Purple Flag, $3 back when you do 12. I didn't get it. I read on their site, Ibotta says they are not going to give everyone the same bonuses all the time. So apparently I've just been skipped this week. That's okay, because I still made it happen today, because I had another bonus. Level 2 was $1 back, and I needed 9 rebates to hit it. And believe it or not, I did really, really great today, getting 9 rebates. Working with the overage I had from Kroger, had some great overage on this stupid dressing, and on the Snuggle and stuff like that. I've had some great overage makers. I utilized to hit this and get this really, really cheap. So it wasn't 100% free. But for these bags, I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled with it. So this is just cash basis. Net will be a little bit higher. It will be higher because of this. A little bit. Not much though, but a little bit higher. But out of my physical pocket, I'll tell you what I lost. So let's talk Kroger first. The Lighthouse dressing, thank you to Wanda for this deal. They are 2 for $5 at Kroger this week. There is a $4 back on 2 Ibottas, makes it $1 for 2. But how I utilize this, I had a $2 off of a $10 produce purchase. I needed apples anyways, and we wanted some cantaloupe, and we got something else. No, that was it. Anyways, I needed some produce items, so I was already halfway there. So I threw in the Lighthouse, applied my $2 coupon to this, because I needed the produce anyways. I wanted the produce anyways. So I counted it towards the dressing, the $2 off 10, and it made these $1 moneymaker. So awesome price there. That was awesome. Okay, the Malto Meal cereal, $1.99. I had a $1 digital coupon. My cousin, she doesn't really go to Kroger anymore, and she had this coupon on her cards. She lets me use her account. I didn't ask her permission, but I've asked her before, and she said, use my coupons. She shops out of my stockpile all the time. She just comes over and gets stuff for free. So in return, she lets me use her coupons. So, yeah, so I paid 99 cents, and there was a 50-cent Ibotta, so 49 cents on the Malto Meal. The Goldfish Epic Crunch, 99 cents. I had a 75-cent Ibotta, so I made that 24 cents. Creamettes were 49 cents. I had $1 on 2 from Ibotta, so free. And the Grape Crush, which I'm not going to drink. I do love Grape Pop, though, but I don't do Calorie Pop. I'll do Zevia, but I have some family who will take this off my hands at Easter. 75 cents. I had a 50-cent Ibotta, so I made this only a quarter, which is a really, really great deal. Hoping these all reset again so I can go utilize the bonuses if a new one comes out on Thursday. Okay, so this is Kroger. Coming out of Kroger, I had this is all free so far, which is great. So we did Walmart, which is awesome too. This is an awesome one I saw on Nini Coupons on Instagram, and I was thinking about the printable working, but I hadn't tried it yet, and it worked just fine. Now, I'm pretty sure Nini, at her store, these were 98 cents. At my local Walmart, these are in the candy aisle for 82 cents, and we have a 1 off of 1 printable coupon. I'll have in the description box below. Scans just fine, no beeps. It does need approval by a cashier at the self-checkout. I don't know if you go to a regular lane. I never go to regular lanes at Walmart. So this is an 18-cent moneymaker on the Butterfinger and the 100 grand. It also works on Baby Ruth. So that's great. I got 4 of those because Walmart's, their policy is 4 light coupons or else it needs something by the cashier. So that was a really good one. Okay, here's another moneymaker. The Children's Zyrtec is $3.47. We have a brand new $4 off printable. I'll have in the description box below to print. Making it a 53-cent moneymaker. I always appreciate it when you print the coupons from me. It always helps me out. It allows me to continue to bring you these videos. So that was a phenomenal deal there. His Gatorade Whey Protein Bar, it was $1.34. I had a $1 Ibotta. There's also a 25-cent any snack bar rebate. I had it unlocked. It actually was all right, I uploaded my receipt with the QR code. It picked it up. So I'm not sure if it's on this or if it's on those. But either way, I'll take it. So if you take it off of this, it was what was that? What would it be I don't know, 12 cents or something? I don't do good at math in my head. That's a great deal on the Gatorade bar. And those are over by the vitamins. And the Walmart app, by the protein bars. The Walmart app did not have this in there, so don't ever trust that app. But at my store, it was there. I just looked for it, and there it was. It was not in the app or on grocery pickup. And this is an awesome deal. Thank you to Saving with Shay for this. She got the cheaper appliance bulbs, but I opted for these because this is actually something we'll use, like, for sure, and this is an awesome price. These are on a rollback. They're like regularly like $9 or something. They're on rollback for $1.97. If you need light bulbs, get to Walmart. They have so many of them on sale, on huge rollbacks, like 90% off, with some of them were on rollback price. These were $1.96, and there's a $1 Ibotta, so 96 cents. Not free, but I'll take 96 cents for light bulbs. That was awesome. Okay, and then this little 3-count snuggle. We've done this deal over and over and over and over. They are $6.48 at Walmart. They had new ones today with $4 peelies, so I paid $2.48, and I got back 3 from Ibotta. So a little bit of a moneymaker with tax, not really, but. And this snuggle 5-count was $9.96. Who pays that? I had a $5 peely and a $5 Ibotta, so essentially free. Now, this is not all at Walmart. You're probably thinking, why don't you have the Chomps and the Fordo? My little Walmart, well, we have 2 Walmarts here. One of them is more convenient and more, I don't know, just kind of around all the other stores. Like, I was going to Kroger, so why would I drive to the other Walmart when Kroger was like 5 minutes from Walmart? Same with Walgreens, so I did not go to the other Walmart on the other end of town because that was just away from all the other stores I was shopping today. So, but if you do have a Walmart that has these products. Now, Kaylee Parent told me about, when I saw the Chomps, but she told me where they were. They're $1.98 at Walmart, and they're actually in the gluten-free section, she said, which is an odd place for them, but there you go. And there's a $1.98 Ibotta, so that make it free. That'd be awesome if you're working towards a bonus. And then also the Fordo 11-ounce coffee shots. They're not the same ones we've been getting. We usually get them over in by the coffee, but apparently these are in, like, they're a really huge bottle, and they're over in the fridge section. Oh, so those are free. They're $2.50, and there's a $2.50 Ibotta, so free. If your Walmart has them, go for it. But I was not going to drive out there to the other Walmart. It was out of my way because I was going to Kroger and to Walgreens, which are all on this other side of town where the smaller Walmart was. So I just rolled with it. Oh, I forgot to say, the GE came from Saving with Shay. Or no, I said that already, didn't I? Oh, well, I'll give her credit twice because I would have never really known about that deal. Awesomeness. So that was Walmart. We did really good over there, and we did really good over at Kroger. So let's talk Walgreens now. This is where the bulk of the cost. This is where all the cost came today. It would have cost nothing without Walgreens, but I really wanted these bags. So these are buy one at $2.79, get 2 for free. That is awesome. I don't have a lot of bags left. If you've been a long-time Kroger shopper, like honestly before I even got on here, you probably had these bags stocked up for years, but I'm actually running low on freezer bags, so I had to go and get those today. So that's a really great price. But I utilized points. I had 5,000 points to use. And then I did this deal on the Bic Comfort 3s. Now, this is a pretty decent deal if you want to do these, match these up together. These are $4.29. I had a $2 coupon from yesterday's paper. They're buy one, get one half off. So $4.29 and then like $2.14. Had $2 off coupons on each of them, so I paid like $2 something and got back 4,000 balance points. So really great moneymaker. Pretty much covered all this. With tax, it was 89 cents. So that's what makes it so great. So let me give you net cost, and then I'm going to talk about why I'm not so sure I'm going to keep doing WAGs. But retail was $46.90. Out of pocket was $19.12. I got after using my 5,000 points and my store credit, it was like $17.31 off. Net was $181. I got the dollar level 1 bonus, so it was 81 cents for all this stuff with my Ohio tax. Can't go wrong with 81 cents. I'm thrilled with that for light bulbs and for what did I get here? Oh, the bags. Those are always useful. Those Renewsits are pretty nice. The cereal and all that. I'm happy. The light bulbs is the main thing. I'll take that for 81 cents. Oh, the dressing. We were going to need coleslaw dressing for Easter, so why not get it when it's on this big of a deal, right? I'll definitely take that for Easter Sunday, Easter dinner. So, yeah, that's an awesome deal. So now let's talk about why I'm on the fence about WAGs. So before we get to story time, I forgot these Merlin organic tomato paste. I didn't talk about this, but this is included in the 81 cents. This was $1.29 at Kroger. Shop Kicks has 300 kicks, which is an equivalent of $1.20. So in the end, I got this for only 9 cents. So I will take that for some tomato paste. So now let's get to the story time about Walgreens, like why I'm not sure I'm going to keep going, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I was running short on time anyways, but I really, really wanted these stupid bags. Like, it was like, I need these bags today. So, and this is a big box. It's like 20 of them, so I'm thrilled with that. But anyways, So I went in Walgreens. There was no cashier at the front of the store. So I was like, what the world? Why would there be no cashier up there? But there was not, which was fine because the line wasn't even bad then. So I went back. First up, I wanted the Bic Silky Touch Razors that are $3.99 because it was cheaper. But they didn't have those, of course. So I had to adjust to this. It's Monday. That's the only thing. It's Monday. I'm not really sure whether they're already sold out of stuff, but they were. So I had to adjust. And this cost me more than I wanted. It's okay. That wasn't going to be the determining factor. But... so I get my stuff. They're almost out of bags too, and that I was like, oh my gosh. I mean, they have plenty of the big gallon freezer, but not many of the quart. And we used more quart bags than gallon, which these are pretty big boxes. I think they'll last a while. But I would like to at least go get 6 more boxes, but I don't know if my store will even let that happen or not. So I got to the register. There is a absolutely humongous line. Like, it was huge. So I get up there in it, and honestly, while I'm standing there, we waited on the cashier to come back for like 5 minutes, because I think they were having problems with the coupons. I don't know. But anyways, we waited for 5 minutes. I look back to see if the cashier's coming, and the line is all the way almost back by the photo counter. So yeah, it was really long, and there was no cashier up there. Finally, and there was there was 2 managers, a photo lab worker, and a cashier back at the photo station, like having a little meeting or something. But anyways, a cashier comes up, and she's actually really, really nice. She's not a problem at all. But, okay, so there she's moving through the line, and there I see this person ahead of me, and their cart has like 8 Purex in it, and I thought, oh boy, this is probably going to be a long transaction. Which is fine. I understand if you're a couponer and you want your Purex, that's totally fine. I thought if you're really a couponer, I was kind of shocked they were getting the Purex for $1.99. But whatever. So they were out there, and they said, you have any more in the back? And the cashier was actually really nice. She said, oh, I'll go get my manager, and we'll go check. Well, the manager comes up. This is the famous, I did sympathize with them on this part, because this is what I went through a couple years ago. She said, we've not got around to posting our signs, but we have the right to limit you. You can only have 4. Okay, I understand limit. You don't want them to clear your shelves, but why is there not a sign up? And the guy was actually visibly angry with her. So that was a little interesting. I don't know. Walgreens, that's just the thing about them. I waited for like 20 minutes for some stupid freezer bags and some... no. Sorry, I was checking to see if I put the dressing up. And some razors. Is it really worth 20 minutes? I don't know. I just feel like I do better with the Ibotta hauls. Like, that's kind of my thing. I'm not totally sure I'm going to move up on Walgreens, but like, I still have anxiety every time I go in there because I just get the wrong... There's 2 managers there who are actually really just not nice people at all. And there's a photo lab worker who also doubles as a cashier, and she does not like me. So I have anxiety about if I go in there, am I going to get one of them? And then to top it all off, today, they weren't there, but I had to wait like 20 minutes. I was just like, man, this is just like annoying. I don't know. Looks like Walgreens is pretty dead next week, so I'm not going to worry about it. I really, like I said, I'd love to go back maybe tomorrow and get 6 more bags, because it's just a really good price. It's phenomenal, actually, for freezer bags. If they don't want to sell them to me, I can try to get a rain check, but I don't know. I'm on the fence about Walgreens, honestly. It's just, actually, I'll be near one Friday night, after church, so maybe I could run in and get them then, but I'll see. I might try a different Walgreens, because this one's just giving me problems. They've not said anything to me right now, but it's just like, geez, we waited for like 20 minutes. I don't know. So yeah, I'm really thinking about Walgreens. What do I want to do there? It doesn't really look like there's too much going on next week. I'm not going to give up on it. I still have 6,000 points. If there's a good deal like these bags, I'm going to take advantage of it. I'm going to do it. So what my thoughts are, maybe go back, get a couple more razors, do that moneymaker again, and get some more bags. And that way I won't totally deplete my points, and I'll be able to kind of jump back in it. But I want more bags. Like, that's a definite. I want at least 6 more bags, just so we're stocked up again. That's really nice. So, yeah, that's all I have for now. That's why I'm kind of on the fence about WAGs. Not totally giving up on it, but I'm also not as excited as I was. So, I don't know. We'll see. So, yeah, that's all I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.